What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian from Slow Compass Life, and today I want to talk about the travel gear that I'm bringing on the road with us for the next 9 months. This isn't going to be the most expensive gear that you can buy. I'm definitely going minimalist. I want to be able to get it all in one backpack, be able to just throw it over my shoulder and go. And if you're interested, thanks for joining, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's talk camera. Very easy. The camera that I'm using right now, and it is my iPhone 17 Pro. That's the only thing that I'm going to use to film these types of videos on a tripod. So talking head videos will be on that. I'm bringing two cameras, but the main one's going to be the iPhone 17. Now let's talk tripod. The next thing that I'll show you is the Ulanzi tripod. It has a MagSafe magnet on it, so very easy to pop on there. It can go all the way up to 180 degrees, so if I need a down shot, I can use it that way. Point it up. It opens up very easy, as you can see. It also, the leg will extend out so you can get shots however you want that way. It has a detachable remote. So that's cool. You can use it as a selfie stick if you need to as well. Very easy, very collapsible. So if you want to use it as a selfie stick, and you can use it as a selfie stick as well. So I'm pretty happy with it. It was very cheap. And I will have all the links down in the description for this stuff if you're interested in getting it. I'm not sponsored by any of these things, so don't worry about it. I'm not getting paid for any of these products. These are just products that I like to use, and they're very affordable. All right, next thing, another kind of tiny little tripod that I like is another Ulanzi product. I love this thing. It's tiny. Again, let's say we're having dinner or something like that, or we want to get a time lapse. We just set this down. Again, MagSafe, put the iPhone on, and then watch how small this thing folds up. Again, you want to use it as a selfie stick. You got it as a selfie stick like this, and then it folds up really tiny. That small right there fits in your pocket or fits in your backpack very easily. So I love this little thing, man. This thing's cool. Next thing, sticking with the camera mount stuff, little $3 silicone, I'll call it a suction cup thing. You put this on the back of the iPhone, you stick it onto a window, you stick it on, it sticks into all kind of things. So you just mount it. You want to get some walking shots of you coming by, or don't want to set up a whole tripod or anything else. This thing sticks into all kind of things. So love this thing. Very cheap, easy to use, and you can get some good shots with it. Now let's talk lighting. You always want some good lighting. I don't want to bring a ring light with me, so I'm going to go again with another Ulanzi product. Very easy. The mounting clip that I got clips onto this. Clips onto any kind of surface that you need. You can clip it onto your iPhone, you can clip it onto your tripod. So this is the lighting that I'm gonna use. Now let's talk sound. What kind of sound am I using? Again, you wanna have good sound. That's one of the biggest important things that you want whenever you're making videos, because people can't hear you or you have crappy sound, they're gonna turn it off. I use the DJI Mic Mini. The Mini suits us just fine, and we've gotten good sound out of it. So that's what we go with. DJI has quite a few products, so you can go anywhere from the DJI Mini, which is probably the most affordable, way up into all kind of different things. So, but this is what we use. The other camera that I'm gonna use is, and I just got it, I haven't used it a ton, so I've still got to learn how to use it, but is the Insta360 X3. So I got basically, I think this is like a couple years old version. They're all the way up to the X5 right now, but this is gonna suit us just fine. There's a selfie stick that you can get that attaches to it that basically makes the selfie stick invisible. The way this works is it's two cameras on each side, and it gets 360 degree video, and whenever you're editing, you can get any of those angles that 360 is caught. So it's really cool. Again, I'm still learning it, but this selfie stick, whenever you're walking around, you can't even see it. It's really cool. I'm sure you can Google it and see some videos with it, but we're looking forward to using this. So that's the 360. So that's my other camera I'm gonna use. Now let's talk storage. I got the Samsung T7 that is a 1 terabyte. So all my footage that I get and download, I will throw onto this, and then I use Filmora in order to edit all my videos. Easy setup, nice and small, fit in your pocket. But all this stuff is gonna fit in my backpack, which we'll talk about next. Now, where's all this stuff gonna go whenever I'm traveling around? It's gonna go in my backpack. I went with the Osprey Daylight 26+6. It expands, so it expands out. I love the way that it opens up like a suitcase or a clamshell, I guess you call it. Very affordable. I think we got these for $99. Jody got one as well. She's gonna do a packing video, so I think she's gonna show what all she's packing. I just wanted to do my travel gear video because my clothes are pretty boring. So yeah, everything was gonna fit in this very nice and easy. My MacBook is what I'm gonna store everything on. So here's my MacBook. Got last year's version, not a Pro. So yeah, that's my travel setup. Pretty easy. Easy to just grab and go. I've got everything that I need. Tripods, selfie sticks, storage, and we're ready to go. So hopefully you like this video. We've hit over 100 subscribers, so hooray. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't, down below, I'll do my little pitch here. We appreciate it, and can't wait to take you on the ride and show you all the countries that we're gonna go to. So again, thank you to everybody, and as always, wherever your compass leads, may it take you somewhere unforgettable. Until next time.